Hello everyone, my name is Neelam Jadhav and I am going to present the topic on skeletal system. So what is skeletal system? Basically in human body, all vertebrates, there is a skeletal system which supports the skeletal inner organs and the body posture. So main function of that is to movement, stability, shape and support to the body. So in stability, if human body does not have the skeletal system or body system with the heart connective tissues or bone system, the body will not get up and down, and also it does not work properly. Then movement, our body easily move from one place to another place with the help of various joints and bones which are movable. That's why the movement is happen in human body. Then support, also the support to the body uh, provide the bones. So in adults there are 206 bones, and in newborns or infants there are 270 to 350 bones. That's why, because as the fetus or newborn grows, the bones are joined, like 3 to 4 bones are connected and only forms a one bone. So, skeletal system performs shape and framework to the body. Different peoples have a different shape and different framework due to the length and the width of the interskeletal system. The movement. So, main functions of the skeletal system are shape and support to the body, then blood cell formation, endocrine system regulation, movement, and the protection. It provides to the shape and framework to the body. Then protection, the internal organs like brain, lungs, pelvic region are protected by the various bones, like a brain is protect with the skull. Then lungs and heart is protect with the rib cages, and pelvic region is pelvic girdle. So in blood cell formation, there are two types of bone marrows in bones, yellow bone marrow and red bone marrow. So they are both in the function of the formation of the red blood cells, and it is provided due to the bone health. Then storage, calcium and potassium are stored in the bones for the further use or health of the bones. So in the bone there are 45% of water content, 35% of calcium and potassium. Medical terminologies, bones is called as osteo, then joints are called as the ortho, and cartilaginous tissue or cartilage are called as the chondro. So the basic mechanism of bone cell or the skeletal system formation is through calcium and potassium acts as the chemicals. Then bone cells are formed due to the calcium and phosphorus. Then bone tissues are formed, and then bone tissues are formed, and then bones are formed like a organ system, and then all over the bones are collected, and then the skeletal system is formed. Then ossification process, so ossification process is formation of bone cells to the bone tissue are known as the ossification process. So structure of bone, in mainly there are two types of bones in our body, so hard tissue or compact bones or soft bones. So in the basic type of bones, so middle part is called as the diaphysis, and upper and the lower part is called as the epiphysis, because they have the hard tissues, and hollow space is in between the bones is called as the medullary cavity. So inner cavity is called as the endosteum, and outer cavity is called as the periosteum. Intermedullary nutrients are in the bones cavity is present. Then There are two types of skeleton: axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton means middle part of the body, and appendicular skeleton means peripheral of the body. So in axial skeleton, the vertebral column, then brain, pelvic region, skull, rib cage are in the axial cavity, and appendicular cavity, it contains 126 bones, and axial cavity contains 80 bones. So in appendicular cavity, there are shoulder girdle, then arm, leaf, etc.